I get asked a lot about other types of services that we do in the shoe repair here. So this was a really good example today. I had this Louis Vuitton backpack where they were missing one of these straps and the handle had pulled out of the top. So they also had this Louis Vuitton bag. So we took the nylon webbing from this bag in the big strap and I remanufactured it so that it has two matching straps and the print was the same. So that was the customer's idea and it was a great idea. This one here had weakened on the sides. Let me just pull this out. And so this whole original strap had pulled off of the bag. So I lined it with some leather and then restitched this strap on there. And so there we go, have that done. And then I also have one of my favorite customers loves her little Chanel fanny packs and she found this, but it wasn't the right size belt. So I added in a 9-inch piece for her on this. And we've done it before, so we knew she was gonna like that. And then there's a whole fanny pack that goes with it. It's really cute. And then I got these really cute little Gucci's in. I just really love Gucci. Their quality is so nice. It's so refined and always just, you know, things just don't break that frequently on them. So it's nice to have them in for repair. We got her some new heel caps, but aren't those cute? And then I have one of my other favorite clients. She's a great VIP and she's always fun. I've done half soles on these for her before, and I fixed her little Gucci. This little strap had come undone, so we fixed that a long time ago, but this time the original heels had finally fallen off, the glue dried, and so I just put some new heel caps on there for her, so she's ready to go. And then I thought these were really stunning. These are Pradas. And again, I'd say also equal with Gucci in the fact that they really just don't fall apart. And so I just did a new heel cap for her, but I just imagine that these on are really, really pretty. This colors, you know, Chanel used to love to use this color because it lengthens the leg. And then I also got these Pradas in, which were super cute, also in for some new heel caps. These I wasn't able to really repair because these little posts in the heel caps have kind of like rusted in there. So I'm not gonna mess with them too much, but I still thought I'd show you some of their designs. I love the upper material that they used on it. It's pretty heavy duty. And same with this footbed. I can't see that wearing out anytime soon. And then these Jimmy Choos sure are fun. And this pair, they actually have the rhinestones on the bottom of the shoe, which is pretty fun. But they were also in for some heel caps, and then we did some elastics on those. And finally, this isn't a real high-end brand, but it's the Steve Madden. And it's really cute in color. We had to replace the heel caps, but primarily this client's dog ate this shoe. And it had eaten here through the fabric, eaten here through this material, and also ate off. It's hard to see far away, but if you can see close up, this is where the dog had chewed this whole heel off. And so I have to replace both heels at the same time, which is why we did the pair. But I thought those were still kind of fun and colorful, certainly fun to look at. And that's for this week's repairs. Remember, you can find us online at terryedmonds.com. Aloha.